What's up, guys? It's C10 Kid. I'm out here with Travis and the Suburban. So in this video, we're basically gonna get a little in depth with the Suburban and how he did this build and what he's really got going on with it. So let's see, Travis. Let's talk about why you picked a Suburban rather than a truck or a Blazer.
All right, went with the Suburban just to haul the family around.
All
Truck
right.
didn't quite have the room we needed for a family of 4. So this was the result. This is the same wheelbase, mostly the same length as a short bed, so nothing over the top too big to drive. Still kind of short.
Nice. So just a little heavier in the back, obviously. 'Cause
Yeah, yeah.
Cool,
exactly.
cool. And you went from a red truck to a green Suburban.
Yes. This is a green off, believe it or not, a 90s Cadillac.
Oh, okay.
So, and then Caesar at Matador tinted a little bit more green, so it's, I wouldn't say it's custom, but a little different than the normal Cadillac color.
Nice.
But just
all
want
right.
something different than the usual charcoal or whatever you see out there. So,
All right, so there's that with the paint. Now let's talk about your brakes. We see you got a lot of stopping power up here, as well as the back.
yep.
What are you running?
Bear 6-piston calipers, the Pro Plus 14-inch rotors all the way around. So, needed something to stop the truck down with the power.
We
Oh,
won't,
not
we
yet,
won't
not
get
yet.
into the motor yet.
All right.
Boom. So there's the rear brakes, 14 inches all the way around. You said right?
Yep.
All right. Let's see why you need that power.
It's a turbo 6-liter, putting out about a 600 horse, single precision turbo, 4L80 trans, 9-inch Ford.
Yeah, now the brakes make sense.
Now
So
it
you
makes
need
sense.
this kind of braking for this kind of power. Jeez, that's a massive motor in there, isn't it?
Oh, Suburban parts for the family. This is for me. So,
Family fun.
yes, yeah,
Right.
exactly. Doesn't everybody need a 600 horse family hauler?
Yeah, I would. All right, let's talk about the interior. What do you got in here?
Just kind of tried to keep it a little bit more traditional looking, original fawn interior color, snowed in seats. The usual Dakota gauges, vintage AC, just like the normal comforts. Did a
What?
floor shifter, so the column just to
Nice.
do
nice.
something a little different.
What are the door panels?
Door panels are factory ones that we wrapped. So Dominic, a local interior guy, wrapped them all.
So you got the steering wheel to match the wheels, I'm guessing, right?
Yep, yep. All hot
Okay.
rods by Boyd. Dakota HDX gauges, and then we got that E-level mount from CTP Concepts. Travis over there.
Now I'm sure everybody wants to know what the Suburban can do. You want to give them a show?
Let's hear it.
Go for it. And I'm a 6'2", 190-pound boy. There's some nice meaty seats in here. Floor shifter right there.
Yeah.
All right.
Everyone sees it and they think it's a stick.
No stick.
shift, yeah.
No
yeah.
stick.
No stick.
All right, you guys get to see my face. 600 something horsepower, you said? All right. It's so loud. I don't know if you guys can hear the wastegate on this thing, but it is so loud. Keeps you cold when it's 120 degrees out here in Arizona.
Or like now when it gets into the 30s, but
Yeah. Oh yeah, heater too.
yeah, we complain when it's 30, but it's not that bad.
No. All right, let's get this flyby, baby. with it. Yeah, so if you guys want to go fast and haul your family around, put that motor in your Suburban or Blazer, whatever it is you build. Yeah, I need to call an Uber real quick. Let me see. Yeah, hi, can I request a 64 Uber? 1964, yes. And 600 horsepower, that would be great. And green with a white top. Oh, he's pulling up right now, actually. There he is, thank you. Are you the Uber I called for?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. I gotta get back to work.
Not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
You guys there now? Power windows.
Comfort.
I didn't touch anything. Look at that. Done. Functional. Alright guys, so that's gonna end today's video. I hope you guys got to know the Suburban a little bit better. Basically all there really is to know about it is that it's big, it's fast, and it's bright. And it's comfortable no matter what you do in it. So that's it for this one. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.